Nature has a way of creating perfection. Here in the sun-drenched orchards of Ratnagiri, every Alfonso mango is a golden treasure waiting to be discovered. Hand-picked by expert farmers, only the finest saffron yellow fruits make the cut. But have you ever wondered how these sun-ripened beauties transform into the refreshing juice you love? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a high-tech facility to see the incredible journey from tree to table. The journey begins as the mangoes enter the sterile world of automation. High-speed air jets align the fruit, or surgical blades strip away the peel in a single, satisfying motion. Watch as the massive stones are popped out with hydraulic precision, leaving behind nothing but pure, golden flesh. This raw pulp is then whirled into a silky vortex, filtered to microscopic perfection and verified by lab experts to ensure every drop meets the highest quality standards. Now things get fast. Thousands of sterilized glass bottles fly down the conveyor belts. In a heartbeat, robotic nozzles fill them with liquid gold, followed by high-torque capping heads that create an airtight seal. Enjoying the process? Smash that like button and join our community for more behind-the-scenes content. Lasers then etch batch codes with lightning speed, while automatic labeling units wrap the bottles in their vibrant brand identity. Finally, robotic arms stack them into crates, ready for the world outside. It's time to hit the road. From the massive solar-powered facility, fleets of trucks carry the cargo across highways, monitored every second by GPS tracking. These juices are then sorted at global distribution hubs and loaded into local vans, making their way through the busy city streets to your neighborhood supermarket. The journey is almost complete, from the store shelf to your shopping bag and finally to your home. There is a special kind of magic in that first click of the seal breaking. As the thick, chilled nectar pours into a glass, you can see the richness of the fruit. When that first sip is taken, the months of hard work in the orchard and the precision of the factory finally pay off in one word: delicious. Nature's freshness, captured in a bottle. Thanks for watching today's script. We'll see you in the next one.
Mummy, can we get this one?
Yes, sweetie. They look very good. Here you are. Mango juice. Juice.
Scanned successfully. That's fine.
Oh, he really likes this mango juice.